most Lamborghinis ever gathered in one place. Alright everybody, welcome back to 6 Cars. We are on the road. Got a brand new Crown here actually in brown. Very interesting. But we are on the road heading towards Nagoya. Got some pretty special stuff planned, but we're at the rest stop here, the Neopassa. Look at the view out there, guys. Look at the helicopter pad there too.
I was just about to say, why is there a helicopter pad at a parking stop or parking area in Japan?
I don't know. I guess you want to fly to Nagoya? Maybe? I don't know. Stop off for a quick strawberry mochi.
Oh my gosh.
There, check it out. There's the bay out there. There's the view from beautiful Suzuka. We got the Honda plant over there. This is definitely not a Honda focused video. We've got something pretty special planned. I think you guys all know what Suzuka's famous for. We're heading to the Suzuka Circuit today. Going to be checking out a 60th anniversary of Lamborghini celebration. So without further ado, let's hit the road and get going. The Lamborghini 60th anniversary RV rolling in over there. They're not messing around, guys. Maybe with the drums still going. We've got the orange Countaches rolling by. Orange or red? Man, that drum is so loud. Diablo rolling in. Guys, we got the Diablo GTR. Oh, it's getting good. So you can see, guys, there's cars just stacked up in all the garages here at Suzuka. They're just piling up, getting ready to go on track. I believe there'll be some parade laps for a bunch of different groups. I guess maybe by model or by generation. And then I believe they will be putting all the cars on track at once, which should be quite the sight. But for now, let's all walk around and see what else we can see. So guys, you can see just Lamborghinis as far as the eye can see. It's packed to the gills here. There's so many interesting specs, different special editions. Look at this, we got the Miura edition Aventador there. White on gold, very nice. I'm gonna walk over this way though, because if you guys remember, we saw that Elemental spec Aventador. That was the Sky Element. And again, one of one. They do it for each of the Japanese elements. And here we have the Earth Elemental. Look at that, the black to green fade. So sick. So again, one off. And this was something they did for the 50th anniversary, I believe, in Japan. Like Lamborghini in Japan. So, only fitting it's here for another anniversary event. Look at that, they got the 50th Anniversario Aventador. I think this is the best looking of all the Aventador special editions, personally. It's really good. The tricolore brake caliper, that's interesting. The STO rolling by. Man. Look at this, like a Tiffany blue on this STO. It's pretty interesting. Not really sure if it's a wrap or a paint, but looks pretty cool nonetheless. I think it is paint actually, because the seats are definitely color matched with the accents on them. That's crazy. Never seen that before. Goodness, there's just so many home run specs here. Look at this purple on like bronzy gold. Man, that STL is very nice looking. So is this SVJ. incredibly good looking color. White interior too. Some really special cars inside this garage here though, guys. Let's go check it out. Okay guys, just inside one of the garages here at Suzuka now. Look at this. Got some special Lamborghinis on display. We've got the Reventon. So 1 of 20 obviously. Model after fighter jets. That thing looks so sick. Incredible. And look at this. Just like the red, orangey sort of Centenario Roadster. My goodness, you can see the red and white seats in the interior. That is incredible. Just over there, we've got the matte blue Neon Roadster with sort of like goldy bronze accents. Wow, that's incredible. And if we look over here, oh, look at the Countaches. Like, Japan does not mess around with the specs, guys. That is an incredible color. It's like a brownish gold. My goodness, what a collection.
Dancing.
Alright, we got the top-down view now. Look at this SVJ, guys. The flip paint. That is absolutely insane if that is a factory color, which I do believe it is. I haven't really seen any wraps here so far. Check it out. How cool is that? Alright, guys. We've made our way into the pit lane here at Suzuka. We got cars getting ready to go on track. There's Gordon down in the trenches getting it done. Check out the lineup. We got the Countach up there. He's just ready to go. There's the flip paint SVJ. So a lot of the new cars are heading out. Look at that lineup. Just unbelievable. Lunch break. Check out the spread, or what's left of it. To be honest, we already ate. But it's quite the party that Lamborghini's putting on here. If we walk back outside, there are some more cars that have showed up. I want to show you guys one in particular. I mean, you see the crowd over there is a lot bigger. Check out what's below here. Look at the green Miura with the antenna on top too. I've not seen that before. We'll have to go down and check that out. So there we go. We're down on ground level again. Better look at that green Miura. Man. Again, just another incredible color. There's so many amazing specs here. The antenna on top's a little strange. I have not seen that on a Miura before. It's just so classy looking. See it on the brown interior. Man, incredible. Look at the green Countach, guys, sneaking in at the very back of the parking lot here. Wow, that's amazing. Saw the door open there for a brief second. Looks like it's got green interior too. Yeah, that's an incredible specification on that car. The bronze wheels too. My goodness. Stuff just keeps showing up, guys. Diablo. This one finished in white. Another color I've not seen on this car before. It also looks like it's been lowered too. Man, that's sick. And check out the purple VT back here. I'm not sure if this is a special edition or not. Maybe somebody can help me out on this one. Because it's got this weird little badge on the side. Motorsport S-Line. Not really sure. Either way, it's darn nice. A dark purple on it. Wow. Okay, we got the Wolf of Wall Street looking Countach there. The wingless yellow Diablo VT. But look at that, we've got another Miura has showed up.
Lamborghini Club member の皆様は Lamborghini Club Lounge の方へお戻りください。
Really clean and white. I've not seen a white Miura before. It's an S specification too. So we saw the Countach pull out, head up the hill, park next to this Aventador Ultimate. This is Bronzo Masaru, apparently. One-off color, I would assume. Sort of looks like rose gold. Almost like the color you can get on an iPhone. But man, it looks incredible. You can sort of have a better look at it under the light there. So the rose gold tint to it. Wow. There's a lot of crazy specs going on here. Diablo SVR. Lord only knows how we got a plate for that thing. Gotta love Japan. There we go. We got a better look here. The Diablo SE30 over there. The classic purple. The Diablo GT over here. Basically the road-going variant of the Diablo GTR race car. Incredibly rare. Just looks incredible in black. I mean, there's the racing counterpart of it right there, which we saw is on a plate too, so obviously the owner's done a road conversion of it, but that is a full-on like GT1 race car for the road. That is absolutely insane. Closer look at a couple more classics here. The Midnight Club Countach is just epic. I spoke about the Midnight Club before, obviously that legendary street racing club, so anything of theirs is pretty cool to see, but he's definitely done a bit of work to it. You can see he's removed the headlight covers. You can see the Countach over there. It gives that clear look. It's really nice. The wheels are very cool on this too. A bit of a different side skirt kit on it as well. And yeah, he's got these modified air intakes on the roof. And a cool part here is that little duckbill spoiler he's added underneath the standard Countach wing too. Super sick. And then beside it, look at this SE30 Diablo. We saw it drive by earlier. Didn't really get to appreciate this color. I had no idea you could even get the SE30 in this color. Sort of like a lime green, yellowish tint to it. But then have a look at the interior here. It's kind of hard to see through the reflections, but it's like British racing green. Maybe under the 30th anniversary badge you can see a little better. That is just incredible looking. Wow. Okay guys, the parade lap is starting. The Guinness World Record official is here. This is an official world record. The most Lamborghinis ever gathered in one place. And the coolest part about it is we are going to be on track. We are heading out in this Miuras here, one of the nicest owners we've ever met. Will be taking us out. It's gonna be epic, guys. We're about to head out.
Largest parade of Lamborghini cars. 記録達成のために超えなくてはならない総記録は100台です。そして皆様に最も重要なルールを説明させていただきます。本番のお時間となりますので、皆様。黄色のウルスあたりから飛びましょうか。
Guys, we just finished the parade. That was epic. I've never been on Suzuka Circuit before. It's incredible. It's such a historic track. Just to be able to get on it is amazing. Again, shout out to the Miuras owner. One of the nicest people you'll ever meet. But there is just a ridiculous amount of Lamborghinis here. There's the green Countaches. But it is official. They just announced it is a new record. The largest Lamborghini gathering in history, announced by the Guinness representative.
In the next events around the world.
I mean,
thank you very much for being here, and all the best.
There we go, guys. Cars are finally leaving the track. What an epic day. So, yeah, 251 cars total, the Guinness World Record officially. We get to be a part of it. It's pretty damn awesome. What an amazing event. And thanks for tuning in. As always, stay tuned for more.